have the "I've got my lug nuts stuck on my truck and I can't get 'em off" blues? I have this lug wrench I bought off eBay, but it just doesn't seem to do the job. I'm getting nowhere. Hey, I've got an idea. Maybe this hunk of cheater pipe will work. Boy, Bub at the tire store sure put these on tight for this big impact. Well, looks like Bubba's impact wins again. I need something better.
If you've ever had this problem, hold on to your lug nuts because boy, have I got the tool for you.
This new torque multiplying wrench can be used to remove your lug nuts and many other large fasteners as well. You can take this portable tool anywhere. It replaces a large 1-inch drive impact without the air compressor.
Use it on your large trucks, semis, RVs, motorhomes, heavy equipment, and farm machinery.
With a power ratio of almost 60 to 1, you will be able to remove the most stubborn lug nuts. Put only 40 foot-pounds of power on the crank side, and you get over 2,000 foot-pounds of torque on the socket side. So, how does it work? Absolutely great. See the leg on the side? It holds the tool in place so it won't turn while in use. All you have to do is turn the handle counterclockwise just like you normally would, and the tool multiplies all that power you put into it by almost 60 times. Once the nut is loose, move on to the others. If you can at least get them loose, you can use smaller tools to finish the job. While you're thinking about it, this tool is all you need for your truck. Why spend $200 or more for an impact and over $1,000 for an air compressor big enough to run it, plus all that money for air hoses and the sockets? You get everything you need with this torque multiplier. Chances are you'll be miles away from your air tools when you have a flat on your truck anyway. And of course, to tighten your lug nuts back down, all you have to do is just crank the handle clockwise. This tool is designed to do the work of a 1-inch drive air impact, so don't use this on your light cars and trucks. You'll be twisting and breaking the studs out of your hubs if you do. After you've broke them loose, use the speed extension to finish the job. You can also use this torque multiplier with other 1-inch drive impact sockets. Just imagine what you can do with this tool if you get yourself some extra sockets to go with it. This should give you an idea how this tool works and how easy it is for you to use it. It's powerful, light, and small enough for you to take anywhere. Did you do this with a large impact and air compressor?
Oh! Hey, now that I've got your attention, it's time for me to sock it to you. Check this out. After I got the first batch of these tools, I quickly discovered many of you were needing the 1.5-inch sockets. So I decided to include 4 sockets used by most tire shops on their 1-inch drive air impacts. You now get 4 1-inch drive air impact quality sockets with this tool. You get a 21mm, 13/16" 4-point socket for your inner duals, a 33mm 1 5/16", a 38mm 1.5", and a 41mm 1 5/8" socket. Wow! Where else can you buy a 1-inch drive air impact and get the sockets to boot? Well, that's about it. Use this tool most any place where you would use a 1-inch drive air impact and you'll get the job done every time. It's light, it's portable, and it's powerful. Use this on your semis, your big trucks, your RV motorhomes, your farm equipment, heavy equipment, most any place you need one of these. And remember, if it doesn't do exactly like I've shown you in this video, send it back for a refund. But I'm sure you won't. Thank you for watching and have a good day.